Hi, I'm Bharti. Welcome to the Edu Bulletin. Let's dive into today's educational news. Ranchi District Fee Regulation Committee caps private school fee hike at 10% for 2026-27, with prior approval required for any increase beyond the limit. Schools directed to submit past 3-year fee data, form PTAs, display fee structures and bar forced purchases. Students cannot be barred from exams over fees. Violations may attract 50,000 rupee to 2.5 lakh rupees penalty and possible derecognition under Jharkhand Education Tribunal Amendment Act 2017. CBSE issues notice on release of Practical Examination 2026 payments, disburses funds to 15,941 schools and 3,669 observers and external examiners, flags rejections due to incorrect bank details, asks remaining schools to fill and freeze their data with correct bank account information on IPS Practical Portal before 16th April deadline. CBSE directs schools to implement a third language in Class 6 from 2026-27 under Scheme of Studies aligned with NCFSE 2023. Asks remaining schools to ensure compliance within 7 days, begin teaching using locally available materials, notify chosen language to regional offices and update OASIS. With only introduced are 3 languages available as options in classes 9 to 10 for that school. CBSE clarifies Class 9 to 10 language scheme for 2026-27 under NCFSE 2023. Class 10 students to continue same languages as Class 9 in 2025-26. Class 9 are 1 limited to Hindi, English, Urdu and Kannada with are 2 from remaining 43 languages, are 3 not applicable at Class 9 level till 2029-30. Optional third language allowed till 2028-29, English communicative discontinued from Class 9, Hindi and Urdu NCERT books for both levels and regional languages, except Kannada, only at our 2 schools asked to inform students and parents. CBSE opens OECMS portal to rectify main examination 2026 data already provided on the portal before final IPS payments. Examination centers asked to report errors to regional offices by 11th April and complete corrections, including missing details on candidates, functionaries and rooms used, by 13th April, after which no requests will be entertained. CBSE circulates comic book to promote awareness of the Income Tax Act 2025, resource issued for schools and students. CBSE announces April-May 2026 exposure visits for school principals to institutions of eminence to promote skill education under NEP 2020. Eligible principals invited to register. 1 visit per academic year allowed. Travelling allowance and dearness allowance reimbursement up to 10,000 rupees via authorized booking agencies. Hard copy bills and 1-page report to be submitted within 10 days. Participation subject to email confirmation. Thanks for watching. For all the latest updates, stay tuned with the Edu Bulletin. Save the number 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp to receive daily educational news and updates.